butterfly. Buang man. Stuck siya. Agay, na-stuck man yan. Na-stuck ka man. It's another day and it's another game. It's me, Nesty, and for days to learn at lalatan ng Chuck E. Cheese with hello mga tao, mga human, mga people sa Philippines! Cherryberry! Cherryberry! Sa kapala sa si Vlog, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and click. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ba't nandito yan? Oh my God! Oh my God! Nasa ano ka? Oh! Wow! Pare! Pare! Masyado ka nang malakas sa mundo ng tao. Alis ka na dyan. Ayun na nga. Ay, dito ka. Lakasan mo yung ano mo. Tapos, pakinggan mo yun. Telepono. Ay, na phone. Ili ng ulan! Pakinggan mo. No! Answer kasi.
Hello.
No. Hello.
I recorded this voice message to welcome you to your first week on the job.
Oh.
So first things first, the security system.
Security
You can look at
system.
the security with the provided computer in front of you. Safe. Also for your safety, we have heavy-duty steel doors, along with lights in case of an intruder. We've had a couple instances where they were useful. Oh. And also, you are running on limited power supply at night.
Power
Because of some city regulation. I'd also like you to know
Wait lang.
that ever since we moved away from the pneumatic system for the animatronics, they tend to move a bit throughout the night. So, if you see them dancing around a bit, don't worry about it. And, what else? Oh yeah, can you clean up some of the dining tables tonight?
Ah! May gumalaw! May gumalaw! Ang ingay naman ito.
That's all I have to
Hala!
say.
Gumalaw siya!
I'll message you
Nakita
tomorrow,
mo, gumalaw
okay?
siya, guys. Bigla siya nawala. Uy, nawala na si ano next si Blue, guys. Ayun na! Ayun na siya! Naglalakad! Tingnan mo dyan! Naglalakad na siya! Ah! Uy, si Duckling! Ano si Duckling? Ayun yung bawi, oh. Saan? Lalabas ba tayo? Agay.
Alam niyo, sa tunay na buhay, hindi ako magtatrabaho dito.
Ayoko nga, bawal sila dyan. Tara. You follow my lead. Ay! Wag mo kaiwan!
Okay, go.
Let's go.
Please,
Buang! Wala pa nga! Wisit! Oh, answer. Ayan na, alam na natin.
So first things first, the security system.
Alam na natin yan.
You can look at the security with the provided computer in front of you. You shouldn't have to use
May
it.
kasama pa tayo na wala yung kasama natin.
Safe. Also for your safety, we have doors, along with lights and
Ooh.
intruder. We've had a couple instances where they were useful.
Uy, sabihin mo, tingnan mo ako sa CCTV. Andito sila, tingnan mo ako sa CCTV. Wow! Hi! Oh God. Hello, anong ginagawa ni Gold Lubi-Lubi dun? Parang... Uy. Biglang naglaho. Ayoko na! Uuwi na po ako! Uuwi na ako! Uuwi na ako! Biglang nawala siya dun. Ay, hindi. Hi! Mag-guy tayo. Where are you? Where are you? Agay! Oh my God, sir! Oh my God, sir!
andun na siya.
Ba't nang bubukas yan? Andun tayo sa gilid. Hala si Gold. Ah! Buksan mo! Baka buksan! Bro. You dead? An idiot locked themselves at the office and I... Bro, I'm so scared. Hi! Okay, let's go to the security, guys. Security.
Hello. I recorded this voice message. Welcome you to your first week on the job. So first things first, the security system. You can look at the security with an online computer in front of you. You don't have to use it too much. Just to make
And crawl!
sure you are
Crawl!
safe. Also for your safety, we have heavy-duty steel doors along like lights.
Oh my god, nagapang! Wala naman masamang nangyayari.
So, if you see them dancing around,
Hoy!
don't worry about them.
Where are you guys? Where are you now? Agay, nagalaw. Game over ka na agad! Buang! Look, wala ako ba na mag-isa dito? Yan! Madami-dami na kami dide. Oh, ano nangyayari? Oh my god! Wow! Naikot! Naikot ka! Alo, gulat ako, busy. Akala ko siya na yun. Bro, how to play this?
Welcome back for your second shift.
Uy, nakakatakot naman to!
I don't have long here, so get in the kit. Mop up those spills.
Anong meron? Ay guys, labas na kayo guys! Tara, tara, sundan kita! Susundan kita! Nakalak! Uy, saan ka pumupunta? Nandito pa ba sila? Hello! Asan sila guys? Ayun, nandun, naggagala. Ayun na, may nagalaw. Ayun na, may nagalaw. Ayun na! Be alert! Ayun na! Isara mo ah! Agoy! Ikaw na, naktingin na ako dito eh. Iiwan mo sila? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Stuck siya.
Agay! Na-stuck man iyan! Na-stuck ka man! Na-stuck siya guys. I-on ko ba? Charot. Na-stuck siya! Na-stuck siya! Wala pa mani! Wala! Papatapang-tapangan ako dito. Yung. La free wifi.
Welcome back for your second shift.
Welcome back daw. La si free wifi! Ang galing ni free wifi! Sige, ako din.
Bills. Okay.
Akong bahala sa inyo. Guys! Mag-sprint na lang ato neta. Hello! Hi guys! It's me! Gagalaw ba yan? Ano ba? Nagpapaano ba kayo? Hindi ko na kaya. Nung nagpapakamatay ito. Wah! Ayan na. Ayan na. Susundan ko lang tong mga to. Ay! Aba na! Huwag niyo kayo matay! What the frick? Wala! Agoy! Andiyan na, agoy! Andiyan na. Bro, where are you, bro? Lah, tapang ni Ayayay. Anong Ingles? It's here. Oh my God! Ayayay! Loh, buang. Espanyol. Where are you, Espanyol? Eres periris. Ang tatapang nyo ah! Ah! Charot lang. Bakit andyan? Andyan? We're going to close the door. Oh my God! Why are you doing that? Oh my God! It's here! It's there. Bro! There. What the frick? Where is Ayayayay? Oh, Clarito! Ayayayay! Wait a minute, Clarito! Let me! Where are you going, Clarito? Bro! Hoy, anong ginagawa niya? Ah! Char. Lang.